Hi folks, this is the start of day 4, so it's 12th of December 2022. I'm starting from the Fern Residency in Satara, which is in Maharashtra. So all systems are good, so far going fine. So that's, it's promising. So starting off at the normal time that we said we would, which is around 6:45 every morning. So that's me. Here we are. That's the car, which is not very visible because of the dirt on it. I guess I'm going to do some still photos of this one and add it to the video. Thank you.